If you're on the keto diet and you're sad because you had to give up pizza, then this recipe is for you. Today we're making a delicious chicken crust pizza. It's low in carbs, but satisfying in flavor and texture. We'll combine a 12.5-ounce can of chicken with an egg and freshly grated Parmesan cheese to make the pizza crust. Then we'll top it with a no sugar added pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, sliced mushrooms, and seasoned ground pork, and bake it in the oven. The entire personal pizza is only 8 grams of carbs, so it's perfect for anyone on the keto diet. And let me tell you, you'll be amazed at how good this pizza really is. We're making a keto chicken crust pizza in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Pizza, a great comfort food that's beloved by many. But when you're on a low-carb diet plan, traditional pizza is a no-no. So tonight we'll show you how to make a keto-friendly pizza with your favorite toppings using a no-sugar-added tomato sauce, ground pork, pepperoni, and shredded mozzarella cheese. Here's what you'll need to make this delicious keto-friendly pizza. A 12.5-ounce can of chicken, 1 egg, 2 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 4 ounces of freshly grated mozzarella cheese, 2 ounces of no sugar added pizza sauce, 4 ounces of fresh ground pork, 4 ounces of sliced mushrooms, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, fennel, onion powder, and garlic powder. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then take the can of chicken breast meat, drain it thoroughly, and put the meat on parchment paper and then in the oven for 10 minutes to make sure that it's dry. Put the fresh ground pork and mushrooms into a pan, season with salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, fennel, onion, and garlic powder, and cook until browned. Remove the chicken from the oven and increase the heat to 500 degrees. In a bowl, combine the dried chicken meat with 1 egg and 2 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and mix it together thoroughly. Then flatten the mixture out onto a cookie sheet with parchment paper and bake it in a 500-degree oven for 10 minutes. Remove the crust from the oven, add the sauce, the ground pork and mushrooms, the mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni, and bake in the oven for 8 minutes. Remove the pizza from the oven, allow it to cool for a few minutes, and you're ready to slice it and enjoy. And there it is, low-carb, keto-friendly chicken crust pizza, topped with ground pork, mushrooms, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. The entire pizza is only 8 grams of carbs, perfect for anyone on the keto diet. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.